What's going on, you guys? Today we're going to make cornbread from scratch. It doesn't take very many ingredients. You need self-rising buttermilk cornmeal mix and self-rising flour. You need baking powder, baking soda, an egg, and some oil. You can also add these ingredients, and we'll talk about those in a second. 3/4 cups of self-rising cornmeal mix, 3/4 cups of self-rising flour, about this much baking powder, about that much baking soda. And what this does is make it extra floofy and crispy. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg. For extra flavoring, we add black pepper, garlic measured from the heart. I'll put a little slap yo mama for some heat. A dollop of mayo. Pour you some buttermilk in there till you get about pancake consistency. Also, you want to coat the bottom of your pan in oil, and this will fry the batter. Crank this joker over to 400 degrees. This way your pan will start frying the batter as soon as the batter hits the bottom of the pan and give you a nice golden crispy crust. You also want it a bit thinner than this. You don't want it quite so thick. Boom. There's our perfect pancake consistency. So with your smoking hot preheated pan, you come over here and now we just dump that batter in there. Look at that frying up immediately. Let's go. Let's go, son. Let's get all that goodness in there. Don't let any of it go to waste. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. And now this goes in the oven to about 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown on top. Bye-bye. See you in a bit. To touch back on this, the reason we add mayonnaise instead of like more oil or another egg is because this kind of has the best of both worlds without adding too much oil or egg at the same time. And believe it or not, it actually cooks a lot better. Boy, look at that nice crack across the top of the crust. Looking good. That thing's gonna be crispy and moist, boy. 25 minutes later. What's up? Look at that. Ah, that looks so good. Oh, let's go, son. Let's go, son. Look at that. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, that moisty boy. Wait till you see the bloopers to this video. Don't forget to stay hydrated and clean as you go. You know, peace, dudes. Have a great day.